What the Air Force community now is surprised about is how small and rugged we've become, not only just from a small Windows form factor, but our new handheld devices. So there's multiple use cases for these handhelds. They can use them for security, mounted or dismounted, so as a comm kit. They can use it as a map kit when you're doing security at bases. You can also use our N1s to scan IDs or entry points. One of the biggest problems with the Air Force right now is maintaining an idea of where all the parts are. So they can use this as a scanning device to catalog all of the parts that they're using.
We're seeing all kinds of new market areas as far as customers. You can talk to people in supply, asset management. You know, these people are responsible for thousands of parts, screws, bolts, hammers, wrenches, tools, everything you could imagine on a flight line, in a supply closet, what have you. And right now, the majority of our customers, they're recording everything on a piece of paper, they're taking it back, they're putting it in manually to a system of some sort where we can facilitate that process and give them back what they need, which is always more time.